what does one do when they think that, you know, they're leading this quiet riders thing, and they say, you know, my bike's a little loud. They say, you know what, I'm going to put an old rocket exhaust on there. And you do a few modifications and make a few things happen, and then you've got an RF900R Suzuki can on there. Stainless steel, by God, look at that. Stainless steel mid-pipe. Isn't that special? You put that big monster on there. You know, it doesn't look bad. The clearance is alright. I'm going to find out. It looks good. Look at that mother. I did nice work. I really did nice work. Good mount, rubber. Okay, what's next? Let's hear it. That sounds good. Jackass. There you go, that's my retort. I quit. Next, I'm building a bike. A really nice, low slung bike with a nice rake. You know, I'll make tall seniors work look like shit. Thank you.